Take a look at a boy like me. Never stood on my own 2 feet. Now I'm blue as I can be. Oh love, come get me down. Sing it! Something too hard, lollipop, that's gonna get you down. Something too hard, lollipop, that's gonna get you down. Say love, oh love's gonna get you down. Say love, oh love's gonna get you down.
I went walking with my mama one day when she warned me what people say. Live your life until love is found, or love's gonna get you down.
Sing it!
Something too hard, lollipop, love's gonna get you down. Something too hard, lollipop, love's gonna get you down. Say love, oh love's gonna get you down. Say love, oh love's gonna get you down.
Mama told me what I should know. Too much candy gonna rot your soul. If she loves you, let her go, 'cause love only gets you down.
I woke up this morning with a buzz rolling round in my brain. I haven't been drinking, but it feels pretty good just the same. It must be contagious, it looks like it's going around. It's cool once you catch it, can't keep your feet on the ground. World. From Utah to Texas, Minnesota, Mississippi too. Or Nevada, no matter where you live, this buzz is for you.
You're insecure, don't know what for. You're turning heads when you walk through the door. Don't need makeup to cover up. Being the way that you are is enough. Everyone else in the room can see it. Everyone else but you. nobody else. The way that you flip your hair gets me overwhelmed. But when you smile at the ground, it ain't hard to tell. You don't know you're beautiful, baby. You light up my world like nobody else. The way that you flip your hair gets me